Hi, how you doing? Not going to keep it long today. Super easy salad. Parma ham with rocket or rocca or arugula, whatever you call that. So easy. Absolutely one of my favourites. Let's get on with it. Okay, so I've got some rocket, rucola or arugula, whatever you call that, leaves in there. I'm going to drop in a little bit of sliced onion. I like that in there. Some beautiful black olives. If you're a regular to the show, you know that I love these Kalamata types. There's no stones in them. Salt. Black pepper. I like a decent amount of black pepper in here, even though the leaves themselves are quite peppery. Some balsamic vinegar. A nice quality extra virgin olive oil. I like to kind of go 2 to 1 oil to vinegar. Very simply, I'm just going to give that a little mix. We're nearly done. Okay, so I've just put that onto a serving plate. We're going to get some Parma ham. We're going to drop that on there like that, and then we're done. And that's it, a really simple, beautiful salad. Now, if you wanted, you could get some Parmesan shavings on there. I like it just like that. Wonderful stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.